Hey everybody, B-Dog Jr. again. Welcome back to my little repair operation that I got going on here. I picked me up a new pair of readers from Wally World last night. Let me know if, hopefully they're not too feminine looking. I was going for the Elvis Costello Buddy Holly look, so let me know. Anyway, I'll show you guys my piece, what's going on here. Okay, here it is. I've got the glue on there. Just got some Scotch tape holding it together on the outside for now. And you can see the piece of plastic that I cut for the inside. So I'm going to clamp it up and let it cure up for a few days. And maybe drill some holes in it and put those either some aluminum strips or maybe that plastic piece I was talking about. Put that on there. But I won't make you guys watch me do the clamping. I'll try to keep it as short as possible. I would like to go ahead and solve that little trivia question that I posed to you guys the other night. This is a Srague clutch, and it's part of the freewheeling unit in the Bell Jet Rangers, and it's got these little Srague pieces that they rock back and forth depending on which direction you install it. It's got an arrow on the case. I don't know if you guys can see the arrow, but it's there it is, to be installed one direction only. And these have a life limit of 6,000 flight hours, so you have to replace it with a new one or a serviceable one every 6,000 hours. But when these things rock back and forth, one direction it's freewheeling, the other direction it locks up, so it gives the helicopter a safety freewheeling motion where it can auto-rotate when the engine fails, or if you roll the throttle back, it will the rotors will keep spinning at a normal speed. Of course, you have to maintain your rotor RPM within limits. You can actually overspeed the rotor head with the engine off. And in order to control that, you have to raise the collective lever up and increase the pitch of the main rotor blades. It's got a spring in there that holds all the little Srague pieces in place. Anyway, I'll show you guys the other piece. And this, believe it or not, is a seal. Even though it doesn't have any rubber on it or any type of sealing surface, it uses bleed air from the compressor section of the engine to keep oil from getting on the hot turbine surfaces in the turbine area of the engine. Anyway, it's called a Labrinth seal, and I believe they're just conditional items. This one had to be scrapped because of the condition of it. They do wear out over time. But anyway, it's something that would be replaced at an engine overhaul, or unless you had abnormal smoking on your engine. So next time you guys see this thing, it'll probably be when it's on my sister's truck. So hopefully I'll get her involved and we'll make a video over there. B-Dog Jr. out. You guys have a good one.